Number 7, lesson number 13, inventions and discoveries. Reading. This is an era of science. At every stage of our life today, we depend on science. Science has blessed us with so many gifts. With the help of science, man has become the master of the whole universe. In agriculture, commerce, industry, communication, household appliances, medicine, transport, and entertainment. In all departments of life, science and technology have ushered us into a new era of hope and prosperity. Man tries to find out the ways to fulfill his needs with the help of science. Science is a systematic knowledge, and the man who uses this knowledge is called a scientist. We travel to a distant place by train. An engine, either a steam or diesel engine, pulls the train. The steam engine is invented by James Watt, who was a great scientist. Now these steam and diesel engines have been replaced by electric engines. We can fly in air like birds. We can reach any part of the world within a few hours. Do you know who invented this aeroplane? Wright brothers invented the aeroplane and made our long journeys fast and comfortable. We can't do anything without electricity. Next to air, water and food, there comes electricity, which plays a vital role in our life. Alessandro Volta invented electricity. Electricity helps us in many ways. It gives us light, moves our fans, cooks our food, runs our mills and factories, etc. Guglielmo Matthias Marconi, another great scientist, invented radio and wireless. With the help of telephone and wireless, we can talk to anybody in any corner of the world. On television, we can watch a variety of interesting and informative programs. The mobile phone was invented in 1973 by Dr. Martin Cooper. On April 3, 1973, the first cell phone was made by Dr. Martin Cooper himself. Today, mobile phones is a part and parcel of our life. It is a great way to keep in touch with family and friends. You can send and receive text messages. You can take a picture or short video. There are interesting games on mobile phones. It is truly amazing. Science has made a great contribution in the field of medicine and surgery. Different medical inventions have helped us to fight against the deadly diseases. Most of the incurable diseases are now curable. Surgery has worked wonders. Kidneys can be replaced and heart can be operated upon. Scientists have made impossible tasks possible. This vast world has been changed into a global village because of science. But unfortunately, in spite of all this, science has not changed the basic attitude toward the problem of our lives. Superstitions and false notions predominate in many areas of our social and economical life. By familiarizing science among the common people, we may bring in a new social order. Science must go deep within our social system and bring a positive change in our attitude towards life.